Woke up in the future yesterday. I wondered how the time had slipped away, thinking back to things when we were young, wishing we were back where we begun. They'll chase us to the endless wilderness. They'll chase us to the last page on your list. And when they finally catch us, they will see the details of our great discovery. Let's run away to distant shores and chase the land we once ignored. It fills the air and shakes your bones. That feeling where we're both alone. Tell me that there's something more than this. Tell me that there's something that I missed. Strange as it may seem, I'm not surprised, running through the dreams of other lives. And tell me through it all that we'll stay friends, from trading cards to take